Shubor naga Snem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Behdeiñkhlam Kaba Shisien Snem Jong Seinraij Mukhla bad Kaba khaddu ban pendap na baro kirat harilum jantia kalapoi sha kabakut ha adnar ha pedeng kajing penipu ipieng ha kalai pui terek unailar menta ka kenti kani ka Behdeiñkhlam kan long kabasa kan mau namar ba menteri khana Ministry of Development of North Eastern Region u Dr. Sukanta Majumdar ulaya so lang kum ukong san ha kani kajing rakhe lingba ka video conference bat play pat ba eki hinrutli ki jingte ne ki cultural infrastructure project kabashongdor shi point khandai lai klurtingka ha East Gentia Hills bat West Gentia Hills district u Majumdar ula banjur ya kajing angnu jangka sorkar ban penne pensa eka culture bat kariti dustur ringkat da ka bakentiu ya ka roi kapar ka bakentop lang ya baro kini ki indrutli ki project ki bala bay pisa da ka North Eastern Council kilalong na ka benta ka Seinraij tuber yalong Mukhla mutlong kongwasan chirmang baga so kampor ki kenram kilendan ki balawan bansaki ya kanika Behdeiñkhlam ki kentop ya Deputy Chief Minister uba Snem halang dhar kom usembot kongsan ringkat u menteri ka sorkar jilla u kermen shilla unong aibut ka sorkar bat MLA uba lakmen rembui bat kiwe ki MLA bakentop ka kong Santa Mary shilla daman bat lamare bat wailat miki shilla unong tre kam bahalang ne u social worker u Sunil V Diodhar u NEC secretary u SK Bhalal u president ki Seinraij jantia uba Frankie Pale na lor kiwe hakane kase lapalat pat baru ya ka vision document 8000 apupra balapan kre de ki Seinraij jantia lapen ko dia ka Behdeiñkhlam da ka jingwan poi ki khat south li ki rong ha adna
Next, Ukarpadi, Wakunko Puram Yagapiu Santa Mary. Next, I'd like to kamu debuk ya ni.
Chairman presided this short meeting. So, first of all, I would like to express my thankfulness to Dr. Sukanta Majumdar, who is the Minister.
But we do expect that in the coming years, to come, to have you in this festival, sir. So thank you very much, sir, for your word and encouragement, and we are fully confident under your able leadership.
Inaugurated, and it is devoted to the people of Meghalaya. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for officially declare the inauguration of the cultural infrastructure.
So now I'm sharing the picture of each and every one of this cultural infrastructure that NEC has funded before you today.
Next,
as you can see, the very first photo you have seen it in Seinraij where the RCC gallery is being constructed under the funding of Ministry of Roads. Here you can see a very small gallery. It's in Seinraij along an extended approach road made of concrete cement at an approximate of 120 meters. Here we can see in West Gentia Hills, Seinraij, it is an extension gallery where it is a very helpful for the people of Chirmang where they can see, where they can sit and watch the festival happening.
Festival at Yalong. So we have 3 gifts for you, sir. With this, I will say thank you, sir. I will parcel it in case it cannot be taken.
For a good day, and then also I would like to express my thankfulness to Secretary of the NEC. So thank you so much, sir, for your journey with me and lembaga dengan menang lebih menang lebih orang ini betul. Itu korek di mereka tahu ya instan ini mah kisah buat ya emang ini emang lebih korek lembaga dengan program Behdeiñkhlam itu korek buat kelahiran ini kita stop mereka
ini yang mahal, saya Shisien, berapa yang kita senyamu, yang warok, yang lewat, oh yang Behdeiñkhlam.
Your voices. I thank each and every one of you.
Time tapur ngan ai jingkren tan 3 minute lai minute to lada tam 8 minute kren ayu Narendra Modi ji ude Prime Minister udan jing eat nakabanta ka Northeast nakabanta khamtam ki riulum of Jongkari India nakada kadao ude Prime Minister Baningkong ulasa sanfo santali ki meet ha Northeast sanfo santali ki meet lathia ha Northeast Shwa Narendra Modi ji उन्होंने प्राइम मिनिस्टर for step 1 जन्मित लालिबान तांगु नरेंद्र मोदी जी 60 nights more than 55 nights he halt in northeastern states. He made compulsory for every minister to visit northeastern states. There is roster duty of all union minister for 11 years. Khadwai Snem Ulalong Prime Minister. Man ka tayaw, every week one minister, union minister must visit Northeast. That is the rule made by Niyam by Honorable Prime Minister. Day one visit Northeast. Every minister should go to Northeast in 1 fortnight. That is why you can see the development of Northeast and Khantam ka donor ministry. The NEC Council, after 40 years, NEC Council meeting was held in Shillong and it was attended by Honorable Prime Minister. He was the first Prime Minister who attended NEC Council meeting after 40 years. So no one cared about Northeast, only Narendra Modi ji, and you can see the results. When I was in Shillong, from Guwahati we had to go to Shillong, then from Shillong to Joa. But today from airport directly I came to Jowai because there is a fantastic and beautiful bypass from Badapani to Moringtane. This infrastructure by Narendra Modi ji is the greatest gift to our northeastern people. I will not talk much because other dignitaries and Khamtam who minister, Ideban Sneona who minister, जब तक network है तब तक minister है. तो इसलिए नेटवर्क बीच में चला जाएगा तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा, इसलिए मैं ज्यादा बोलता नहीं सुकांतदा. लेकिन ये सैनराज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ये मैं आपकी जानकारी के लिए बता रहा हूँ.
Even this pandal as we speak here, before we used to have by temporary pandal every year, which costs a lot of expenditure. So by getting this scheme, it really helps. It become a permanent structure, and also with the help of Seinraij from Mukhla in particular, and also the rest of the Seinraij. Ay kublay nigi idaloy we am lang nagibitruan kiran we am lang alikapor kiriurong pa kini 1 October ngayalong Khamtam Mukhla kuman tera terter may ba cover to idaw chim di por kalau dia bon worry do district DC SP ki official yang district administration kawan polis kena pelai galai kawan teman galai by identity ke traffic man kawan ke jikuin sengau tu ini teman nak Behdeiñkhlam perjo man usulan perjo ikai ki long chua ki man chua perjo bi posau sup posau tenadu yu kam kena yalam dio prito man lagi rajo man ki Behdeiñkhlam man sket lagi Behdeiñkhlam ku kuni ki por man gelo Yusuf ku yutuna ku pen kamong sekretari kan di sini lepai ni gerkomrim gerkomku ki man baik ki man pa ki kedru ki lor daman sket lagi niam ku chong chi ku chong nia ku do kata saya bila ko pun sangai bi kum pe ba ini ko ini ke sarkar makane ya langkah ke sarkar baik ke sarkar India itu ami ke priority wa kamon penel persa ya geriti duskun gawi